What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be taking the valve cover off the RSX and repainting it, and maybe also repainting the intake manifold. I'm kind of getting tired of this color scheme, so I'll take it off, freshen it up a little bit. You see this paint's like chipping off already over here, so yeah, let's get into it. If you're planning to do this project in a few days, don't forget to cover your valve train with a plastic bag so that any debris won't fall into it. Alright guys, I'm not sure what happened to the audio for this clip, but you see I have the valve cover inside the house. I have my paint stripper right here. It's a citrus strip paint and varnish stripping gel. What I did was basically put this gel inside this spray bottle, and I sprayed the gel over the valve cover and used this paintbrush to brush the gel evenly onto the valve cover. Basically repeated this step until the whole valve cover was covered. Yes, it looks like orange jizz, we know.
The next day.
Alright guys, back home from work. This paint stripper has been on the valve cover for 24 hours, and look, all this old paint is just coming right off. Nice. So basically I'm just using a toothbrush, lightly going over this valve cover and get all this paint off, and then hopefully on the weekend I'll have time to repaint this thing. Pause the video right now and write in the comments what color you think I should paint this valve cover.
Eventually.
Alright guys, it's been about 2 days. My wife actually helped me clean this up. There's actually a second layer of this paint stripper that was put on, and what I'm planning to do is put this in a warm soapy bucket, clean it up, see if I can get some of the remaining paint off of it, let it dry, and hopefully we'll get to paint it today. As you can see, the majority of the paint is off. There's just tiny little bits remaining. I'm sure we're gonna get all of that off. Alright guys, the valve cover has been completely cleaned. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is the K24 valve cover I had. If you guys don't know, I did a K20, K24 swap. So this is the K24 head. This is the K24 valve cover. It's actually interchangeable with the K20 head. So if any of you guys So if any of you guys want my K24 valve cover, it's never been painted before. They go for about $60 on eBay. I'm willing to sell it to you guys for 50 bucks. Free shipping if you're already subscribed. Let me go show you the K20 valve cover. It's completely cleaned. I have it outside sitting in the sun to dry it off. Here it is. The difference with this is that this is a K20A valve cover. So it says Honda on it. It's completely cleaned. You don't see any red anymore. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this thing to dry, let it sit in the sun for a little bit, and then we're going to paint it. All right guys, the valve cover is all dried up. I taped it off the holes. I think that was probably what took the longest. And now I'm using Rust-Oleum's Painter's Touch. It's paint and primer. It's gonna be black gloss. This is after a light coat. It's already starting to look super nice. I think I like this way more than the black. Let me know in the comments. Than the red. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. It's not done yet. A few more coats. I'm gonna put a few more coats on this. This is after the 4th coat. It's really starting to look glossy right now. All right guys, last coat is on. I'm gonna wait 24 hours before this thing dries up. I'm gonna sand down the Honda part, the Honda logo, so you can still see that in silver. Yeah, so thank you for watching to the end of this video. Hope this has been helpful. I'm also going to paint some other stuff in the engine bay and maybe actually even remove the whole engine and paint the bay completely. Oh yeah, and guys, don't forget, if you're painting your valve cover, you don't necessarily have to do this, but you should replace your valve cover gaskets. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.